Alright, what is up, my friends? We are going to do the Google Drawings Level 1 activity here where we are creating an interactive diagram. So you have an example in that project for you, and I'm going to kind of copy that one. I'm going to mimic it, use some of the resources. You're going to do this on your own. So I've just found, this is a different picture because I did want one that was unlabeled right here, and I'm just gonna kind of center it right here. And one cool thing about Google Drawings is if I need to resize this, I have this little grabber handle in the bottom right, and I can just make this bigger as needed. Otherwise I could also go to File, Page Setup. So there we have our little thing right there. Okay, and let's see, I got to do a couple things. I got to do some labeling, so I'm going to speed this up. Alright, so I have everything kind of labeled right here. Now I'm just going to use my arrow tool to kind of point these out right here. So this can go here, and I'm able to do a little bit of formatting with my arrow tool right here if I need to make a bigger line or anything like that. I'm just going to keep going. Alright, so I got those different parts labeled right there. I can also do some different things like a curved connector. So I could take something like this. Actually, I'm going to go with, an elbow connector. And I'm going to connect that. And that. And that. Since they're not on the same line right there. I could do some formatting as far as centering this text box, but I'm not going to worry too much about that right now. But the other two that I want to do, this one and this one right there. So I have everything kind of labeled a little bit, and now I am ready to start adding in my resources. Another thing I could do is I could format the background of this text box so that it kind of stands out a little bit and make it a little bit bigger, things like that. So there's some different things I could do to make it a little more pretty, but that's not what we're going to do. So one of the best things about this is that if you're going to link these resources, you want icons to really kind of use that, make it visual to the person so they know if they're clicking on an image, a document, a link, or a video, or anything like that. So I'm just going to go insert image, and I'm going to search the web, and you could use this from a variety of resources. I'm just going to do it right in here. I'm going to say video icon right here, and we'll see what gets up right here. Alright, so yeah, I'm not looking for anything fancy right here. I'm just going to take in this one right here, and I have a couple videos that I'm going to add. I'm going to resize it because there's one for the stamen right here and another one for the pistol over here. Okay, I'm going to insert another image. Okay, so I got those right there. Now I just need to provide those links. So I have these already kind of pasted over here, but I'm just gonna click this. Wait, insert link. Go to insert link, paste it, boom. And you'll see that that is on my YouTube video right there. Okay, so now if I click on this, it's going to take me to a YouTube video. If I click here, it's going to take me to a picture, and so on. So you're going to do the same thing, but for a diagram that you're going to create.